Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with a new informative video. Before starting my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon. So let's start the video without wasting your time. Today we discuss about the Shopify earning. Here we discuss that few opens here with that how we earn while dropshipping on Shopify. Here is something is how to make money on Shopify. 20% ideas to get rewarding. Here we discuss that how to make money on Shopify, 20 ideas to get started in started into agents. Here we discuss Shopify is a commerce platform where merchants can build their online stores. This marketplace is on 7 million of users over 175 countries, attract more than 2 million buyers, and create $34 million in sales per year. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform for business of all sizes. The greatest advantages of Shopify is that they are allow merchants to customize their stores without coding and designing skills. Marketing is an accessible solution for everyone who wants to start their e-commerce stores. Demotivation you motivate you along the way. What you need is a comfortable start to bring your interest to the digital world and establish an online presence while juggling many other responsibilities. Here we see that before rolling up your slaves to leave into the list, sign up to the your Shopify free trial so that you can explore the feature and ecosystem extensively. This article will give you a straightforward with direction on how to make money with Shopify. Effectively, all of with Linux expertise, whether you want to make your business serious, commitment, or a fun hobby outside of work, Shopify can be your reliable partner every step of the way. I hope you liked my video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next informative video as soon as I upload it. Meet you in the next video. Take care.